Hi guys, welcome to the Deriv channel. So in today's video, I want to show you guys the strategy, the effective strategy I used to just trade this volatility 75 index. So this 75 we know is a volatile market, and I want to show you guys effective strategy we can use to trade it and then make a fortune with VIX 75 index. You can use this strategy for your small account and then a bigger one. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video, guys, so that I will give you some step-by-step process you can use to use the strategy to milk the market. Make sure you do it by make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, guys, and also turn on the post notifications. When I post new strategy, guys, you will be notified. So guys, let's dive into the strategy, guys. As you can see, this big 75. You can see right there. I already marked that the area out. Now you can see I've already run into $800 plus profit with a $4,000 account. Now guys, let's dive into the strategy real quick without wasting much of our time, guys. Now this is 1 day time frame. This is daily time frame. What you could see here is that we could figure out the market is doing something here, which is creating a resistance right at this top, and then we could also see something here. That the market is doing, is creating is going to also create a support right at that area. Now before I take this entry, I already figured out one thing. Now the thing is, let me for give you information about this one. Now the thing is, you could see something right here. When the market is coming to the downside, with a momentum candle, it eventually break this area right here. Now once I see the market play, I know it's very rare for the market to retrace back. I know it is rare for the market to retrace back. That's why I quickly take the entries with my confirmation on 15 minutes time frame. Now guys, now look at something right here. This is where the market is shooting with a ticket candle that eventually break this area right here, and eventually break that area right there. Now let's switch to our 15-minute time frame so you could have a better understanding about it. Now this is on 15-minute time frame. After I see all this, I figure out one thing, that the market is doing something. The market is doing something which we call, sorry guys. Now the market is doing something which we call is creating something we call lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, which indicate that the market is trending to the downside, guys. Now you can see when I switch my 15-minute time frame, I figure out the market is creating that lower high, lower lows, and then I saw the market right here, seems like right here, and I had to wait for a candle to close right above this area right here. I wait for a candle to close above that area right there, and I wait for retracement. Now let me zoom in so you guys can see it a lot more clearly. Now I wait for a candle to break this area right here. You can see there is that area, and then when I see it, I have to wait for the market to retrace back. When the market retraces back, I am not in the market, so when I come back, I figure out the market is already creating double one, which is this one, this retracement back here, and this retracement. Now once I see the market broken that second retracement area, I had to rush in, guys, and that's what gave me the chance to take the trade, guys. You can see some market is right here. Now other things show that when the market reach this area, it will surely trace back. You can see this retracement, but is showing something which is called double bottom. Now this might indicate that the market is going to change its direction, but we have to wait. Once we figure that the candle is broken right at this area, then we close our trade. Now let me set SL to all my trades. Now we have to wait for a candle to break right at this area, which is 361,600, which is 361,600. Yeah, 361,600. So we have to set our stop loss for the market. Sorry. So let's click on modify. Now we have to set 361,600. Now that is our stop loss area. We have to set our stop loss. So in case the market is by ball, I'm very sure the market is still going to trend to the downside, guys. But the market, as we all know, trade can somehow do what he usually did. So we have to just set our stop loss so we'll be on a safer side. Now you can see I've already set our stop loss. Now that is the strategy, guys. That's the strategy you can use to image the market. Now you can also see it right here. You can also see it right here. The market makes the same thing right here. You can also see it there, and then once the market broken this area, let me use this. So when the market broken this area right here, you can see this line. When the market broken this area with a momentum candle, with this red candle, it start trending to the top priority. What it reached this area before retracement. Now that's it, guys. All you have to do is watch with the market to break that area. Then you take your trades, and let's use buy market for an example. Now you can see something right here. You can see what the market is doing right here. Once the market is trending to the downside. Now once the market broken this area, we might open right at this area, or we might wait for the market to give us a retracement, which is right here, before we open into the trade, and then you can figure out we are already in a massive profit, guys. And that's strategy, guys. I hope you guys understand the strategy. Now don't forget to do me here by subscribe to this channel, like this video, guys, and also turn on post notifications so anytime I post strategy, you guys be aware. And if you have any question regards to this strategy, you can ask in the comment section, guys. Thank you, guys. I see you in the next video.